Today we'll be learning how to refill a redox me reference electrode. You'll need a refillable reference electrode, a syringe needle, a separate needle, and your electrolyte filling solution. The first step is to insert the loose needle into one of the ports in the reference electrode cap. Next, fill up your syringe with your electrolyte. Insert the needle into the other port of the reference electrode. Inject a small amount of the electrolyte into the body of the reference electrode. You should only need about 1.5 milliliters. Congratulations, you've filled up your reference electrode. If you have any questions, please visit our website.